Section 3. Advanced functions. Descriptions of functions for more effective use. Suspending and resuming guidance, volume, user selection, my places, area to avoid, setup, current position calibration, distance unit, estimated travel time, auto reroute, adjusting time zone, auto voice guidance in all modes, notifying traffic restriction, intersection guidance, guidance screen on freeway, street name on scroll map, display of building shape, screen layout function, off function, POI category change, show POI icons, delete previous point, map color, and screen animation. Suspending and resuming guidance. To suspend guidance, you can suspend route guidance. Push the menu button to display the menu screen and touch the suspend guidance switch. Information. When you do not have route guidance, the suspend guidance switch cannot be used. The screen will return to the current position map without route guidance. To resume guidance, you can resume the suspended route guidance. Push the menu button to display the menu screen and touch the resume guidance switch. The screen will change to the current position map with route guidance. Volume. You can use voice guidance when approaching a destination. You can adjust the volume of the voice or turn off voice guidance. Push the menu button to display the menu screen and touch the volume switch. To adjust the volume, select the desired level by touching the appropriate number. If you do not need voice guidance, touch the off switch. The selected item is highlighted in green. Information. During route guidance, the voice guidance continues even if the navigation screen is changed to other screens. Adaptive volume control. If you turn the adaptive volume control on, the volume is turned up automatically when the vehicle speed exceeds 50 miles per hour, 80 kilometers per hour. To turn the adaptive volume control system on, touch the switch. The indicator will be highlighted. User selection. The system can memorize the following settings for up to 3 users. Map direction, map scale, guidance mode, setup, volume, and language. Push the menu button to display the menu screen. Then touch the select user switch. To register, touch the memorize switch of your desired user number. The confirmation screen will appear. To register, touch the yes switch. To return to the previous screen, touch the no or back switch. When you touch the switch already registered, this screen appears. To replace, touch the yes switch. To cancel the replacement, touch the no or back switch. To change user, push the menu button to display the menu screen. Then touch the select user switch. Touch the user number switch you wish to change. The above message appears, then the map screen will be displayed. To delete user, touch the delete switch of user number you wish to delete. The confirmation screen appears. To delete, touch the yes switch. To return to the previous screen, touch the no or back switch. My places. You can register and keep your own memory points, like restaurants, sports facilities, etc., and use the memory points to input a destination. Registering memory points. Step 1. Push the menu button to display the menu screen and touch the My Places switch. And Step 2. Touch the register switch of the memory points. A screen similar to the destination input screen appears. Input the desired point in the same way as inputting a destination. See page 22. When you finish memory point registration, the memory point data screen will appear. You can set the icon, attribute, name, location and phone number. Touch the desired switch you want to set. For details, see editing memory points. Information. Up to 106 memory points can be registered. Editing memory points. The icon, attribute, name, location and / or telephone number of a registered memory point can be edited. Step 1. Push the menu button to display the menu screen and touch the My Places switch. Step 2. Touch the edit switch of the memory points. The screen lists the memory points. Date. Touch this switch to list the memory points in order of the registered date. Icon. Touch this switch to list the memory points in order of the icon type. Name. Touch this switch to list the memory points in alphabetical order. Attribute. Touch this switch to list the memory points in order of the home and quick access number. Touch the desired memory point switch to display the memory point data screen. On step 3, touch the switch which you wish to edit. To change icon, touch the desired icon. You can turn the page by touching page 1, page 2 or with sound switch. With sound, to display sound icons. When your vehicle approaches the memory point, the sound which you chose will sound. Touch the desired sound icon. The next screen appears when you touch the bell with direction switch. Touch the direction switches and adjust the direction. Touch the enter switch. The bell sounds only when your vehicle approaches this point in the direction that you set. To change attribute. For easy destination input, set the attribute of the memory points as home or quick access 1 to 5. Touch the desired attribute. It is possible to replace a registered attribute. To replace the attribute, touch the yes switch. To return to the previous screen, touch the no or back switch. To delete the attribute, touch the del switch. To delete an attribute, touch the yes switch. To return to the previous screen, touch the no or back switch. To change name, touch the alphabet and slash or numeral keys. When the entry has been completed, touch the OK switch on the screen. The previous screen will be displayed. Show name. You can set the name of a memory point to be displayed or not on the map. To show the name, touch the on switch. Not to show it, touch the off switch. To change location, touch the 8 direction switch to move the cursor to the desired point on the map. Touch the enter switch and the previous screen will be displayed. To change phone number, telephone number, touch numeral keys. When the entry has been completed, touch the OK switch on the screen. The previous screen will be displayed. C. Deleting memory points. Step 1. Push the menu button to display the menu screen and touch the My Places switch. Step 2. Touch the delete switch of the memory points. On step 3. Touch the corresponding switch. To delete all memory points, touch the delete all switch. For efficient memory point search, memory points can be sorted by the date, icon, name or attribute switch. To delete, touch the yes switch. To cancel the deletion, touch the no switch. Area to avoid. Areas you wish to avoid, because of traffic jams, construction work or other reasons, can be registered as areas to avoid. Push the menu button to display the menu screen and then touch the My Places switch to display the following screen. Information. If a destination is inputted in the area to avoid or the route calculation cannot be made without running through the area to avoid, a route passing through the area to avoid may be shown. A. Registering area to avoid. Step 1. Touch the register switch of the areas to avoid. Step 2. Enter the location in the same way as inputting a destination or display the map of the area you wish to avoid. See page 22. Information. Up to 10 locations can be registered as point/area to avoid. If there are 10 locations already registered, the message, unable to register additional points, perform operation again after deleting unnecessary points, appears on the screen. Step 3. Set the cursor in the center of the area to avoid and touch the enter switch. On step 4. Touch either up or down switch to change the size of the area to avoid. B. Editing area to avoid. Step 1. Touch the edit switch of the areas to avoid to display the edit area to avoid screen. Step 2. To edit an area to avoid, touch the corresponding switch. On step 3. Touch the name, location or area size switch on this screen. To change name, touch alphabet or numeral keys. When the entry has been completed, touch the OK switch on the screen. The previous screen will be displayed. Show name. The avoid area name can be set to be displayed or not on the map. To show the name, touch the on switch. Not to show it, touch the off switch. To change location, set the cursor to the desired location, then touch the enter switch. The previous screen will be displayed. To change area size, touch either up or down switch to change the size of area you want to avoid, and touch the OK switch. The previous screen will be displayed. C. Deleting area to avoid. Step 1. Touch the delete switch of the areas to display the delete area to avoid screen. Step 2. Touch the area you wish to delete from the list. Delete all, to delete all registered areas to avoid in the system. Step 3. To delete, touch the yes switch. To cancel the deletion, touch the no switch. Setup. You can set the item shown on the setup screen. Step 1. Push the menu button. Step 2. To display the setup menu screen, touch the setup switch. Touch the items you wish to set. And step 3. Touch the OK switch on the screen and then the previous screen will be displayed. Default, this switch initializes all of the settings. Calibration, you can adjust the current vehicle position mark manually. Distance, you can select kilometers or miles as the distance unit. Estimated travel time, you can set the system to display the travel time to the destination on the route guidance screen. Auto reroute, you can set the system to automatically search for a new route to the destination. Adjust time zone, you can select your desired time zone. Auto voice guidance, you can set the automatic voice guidance. Voice guidance, in all modes, you can set the voice guidance in all modes. Notify traffic restriction, you can select notification of seasonal restrictions. Intersection guidance, you can select on or off to display intersection guidance. Guidance screen on freeway, you can select on or off to display the guidance screen on the freeway. Street name, on scroll map, you can select on or off to display the street name on the scroll map. Display building shape, you can select on or off to display the building shape on the map screen. Off function, you can set to display or not to display each switch and current street name on the map screen. Show POI icons, you can choose 6 icons, displayed on Show POI icons top screen. Previous point, you can delete the previous destination. Map color, day, you can select the desired map color. Map color, night, you can select the desired map color. Screen animation, you can set some screen displays to be animated. Current position calibration. When driving, the current vehicle position mark will be automatically corrected by GPS signals. If GPS reception is poor due to location, you can manually adjust the current vehicle position mark. Step 1. Push the menu button to display the menu screen and then touch the setup switch. Step 2. Touch the adjust switch of calibration. And step 3. Touch the position/direction switch. Information. For additional information on the accuracy of a current vehicle position, see limitations of the navigation system on page 9. Position/direction calibration. Step 1. Touch the scroll arrows to move the cursor to your desired location. Touch the enter switch. And step 2. Touch either the left or right switch to adjust the direction of the current vehicle position mark. Touch the enter switch and the map screen will be displayed. Tire change calibration. The tire change calibration function will be used when replacing the tires. This function will adjust the miscalculation caused by the circumference difference between the old tires and new ones. If this procedure is not performed when tires are replaced, the current vehicle position mark may be incorrectly displayed. To perform a distance calibration procedure, touch the tire change switch on the calibration screen. The message appears and the quick distance calibration is automatically started. A few seconds later, a map screen will be displayed. Distance unit. Step 1. Push the menu button. Step 2. Touch the setup switch. Step 3. Touch the kilometers or miles switch of distance to choose the distance unit. The selected switch is highlighted in green. And step 4. Touch the OK switch. Estimated travel time. You can set the speed that is used for the calculation of the estimated travel time. Step 1. Push the menu button. Step 2. Touch the setup switch. Step 3. Touch the set speed switch of the estimated travel time. Step 4. Touch left or right to set the average vehicle speeds for driving on a freeway, main street, and residential. To set the default speeds, touch the default switch. And step 5. When you finish setting the desired speeds, touch the OK switch. Information. The displayed time to the destination is the approximate driving time that is calculated based on the speeds you selected and your actual position along the guidance route. The time shown on the screen may vary greatly depending on your progress along the route, which may be affected by road conditions such as traffic jams, construction work. It is possible to display up to 99 hours 59 minutes. Auto reroute. When the auto reroute feature is turned on, the system will automatically search for a new route to the destination if you stray from the guidance route. This feature does not operate while you are driving on roads where guidance is not available. To turn the auto reroute mode on, Step 1. Push the menu button. Step 2. Touch the setup switch. And Step 3. Touch the on switch of auto reroute. The selected switch is highlighted in green. Information. If your vehicle strays from the guidance route, the system searches for a new route to the destination. The new route may or may not take you back to the previous route depending on how far you are off the original guidance route. Adjusting time zone. Step 1. Push the menu button. Step 2. Touch the setup switch. Step 3. Touch the change switch. The adjust time zone screen appears on the display. Step 4. Touch the desired time zone. The selected switch is highlighted in green. And Step 5. Touch the OK switch on the screen and the setup screen will be displayed. Auto voice guidance. When the auto voice guidance feature is turned on, the voice guidance can be heard automatically. When the auto voice guidance feature is turned off, the voice guidance can be heard only if you push the map/voice button. To turn the auto voice guidance mode on, Step 1. Push the menu button. Step 2. Touch the setup switch. Then touch scroll down switch to display page 2 of the setup screen. And Step 3. Touch the on switch of auto voice guidance. The selected switch is highlighted in green. Voice guidance in all modes. When the voice guidance in all modes feature is turned on, you can hear the voice guidance in all modes. When the voice guidance in all modes feature is turned off, voice guidance cannot be heard when using the audio system. To turn the voice guidance in all modes on, Step 1. Push the menu button. Step 2. Touch the setup switch. Then touch scroll down switch to display page 2 of the setup screen. And Step 3. Touch the on switch of voice guidance in all modes and touch the OK switch. Notifying traffic restriction. When the Notify Traffic Restriction feature is turned on, the system notifies you of traffic or seasonal restrictions. To turn the Notify Traffic Restriction mode on, Step 1. Push the menu button. Step 2. Touch the setup switch. Then touch scroll down switch to display page 2 of the setup screen. And Step 3. Touch the on switch of Notify Traffic Restriction and touch the OK switch. Intersection guidance. When the intersection guidance feature is turned on, the system will display the intersection guidance screen if you drive with route guidance. To turn the intersection guidance mode on, Step 1. Push the menu button. Step 2. Touch the setup switch. Then touch scroll down switch to display page 2 of the setup screen. And Step 3. Touch the on switch of intersection guidance and touch the OK switch. Guidance screen on freeway. When the guidance screen on freeway feature is turned on, the system will display the lane guidance screen if you drive on a freeway with route guidance. To turn the guidance screen on freeway mode on, Step 1. Push the menu button. Step 2. Touch the setup switch. Then touch scroll down switch to display page 2 of the setup screen. And Step 3. Touch the on switch of guidance screen on freeway and touch the OK switch. Street name on scroll map. When the street name on scroll map feature is turned on, the system will display the name of the street where the cursor is positioned on the scroll map. To turn the street name on scroll map mode on, Step 1. Push the menu button. Step 2. Touch the setup switch. Then touch scroll down switch twice to display page 3 of the setup screen. And Step 3. Touch the on switch of street name on scroll map and touch the OK switch. Display of building shape. When the Display Built-in Shape feature is turned on, the system will display the built-in shape on the map screen using a scale of 150 feet, 50 meters, to 300 feet, 100 meters. To turn the Display Built-in Shape mode on, Step 1. Push the menu button. Step 2. Touch the Setup switch. Then touch Scroll Down switch twice to display page 3 of the setup screen. On Step 3. Touch the On switch of Display Built-in Shape and touch the OK switch. Screen Layout function, Off function. You can set display or hide each switch and current street name on the map screen. Step 1. Push the menu button. Step 2. Touch the Setup switch. Then touch Scroll Down switch twice to display page 3 of the setup screen. Step 3. Touch the Change switch of the Off function. On Step 4. Touch the switch corresponding to the desired setting. Then touch the OK switch. POI category change. Show POI icons. You can choose 6 icons displayed on the Show POI icons top screen so that you can easily set which icons to display on the map screen. Step 1. Push the menu button. Step 2. Touch the Setup switch. Then touch Scroll Down switch twice to display page 3 of the setup screen. Step 3. Touch the Change switch of Show POI icons. Step 4. Touch the category switch you wish to change. On Step 5. Touch the switch corresponding to the desired category. Then touch the OK switch. Delete previous point. You can delete your previous destination. Step 1. Push the menu button. Step 2. Touch the Setup switch. Then touch Scroll Down switch twice to display page 3 of the setup screen. Step 3. Touch the Delete switch of previous point. Step 4. Touch the switch you want to delete. For efficient previous point search, previous points can be sorted by the date or name switch. On Step 5. To delete the point, touch the Yes switch. To cancel the deletion, touch the No switch. Map color. Step 1. Push the menu button. Step 2. Touch the Setup switch. Then touch Scroll Down switch 3 times to display page 4 of the setup screen. On Step 3. Touch the desired color for day and or night map, and then touch the OK switch to return the map screen. Touch the Normal switch to return to the default map color. Screen animation. When the screen animation feature is turned on, some switches and screens become animated. For example, change map guidance on the map screen. To turn the screen animation mode on. Step 1. Push the menu button. Step 2. Touch the Setup switch. Then touch Scroll Down switch 3 times to display page 4 of the setup screen. On Step 3. Touch the On switch of screen animation and touch the OK switch.